guys, welcome back. All right, so today I'm going to show you a birthday haul that I had. My birthday was on January 16th, and this is from Hush. If you have not shopped with Hush yet, I recommend that you do. Awesome app and everything, awesome company. I got this really quickly, and the only reason why it's just now getting out to you guys is because I was sick with the flu. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I got. All right, so I went ahead and opened up the box. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. All right. So I got the Aphrodite palette. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out and show you guys each palette. Now, I will have a separate video for each of these palettes for swatches, because otherwise this is going to run like really long, because each palette has like a bunch of different colors. So this is Aphrodite palette, which I think is really beautiful. And then a little smudge there is just on the little plastic piece. So anyways, the colors are phenomenal. I cannot wait to swatch this. And then I got the Athena palette, and both of these palettes are by Bad Habit, and they are dupes. Excuse my yucky nails. I'm terribly sorry. I had the flu, like I said, and just no time. So I'm gonna be working on these bad boys this weekend. Anyways, moving on. Isn't this a beautiful palette? I love it. And I can't wait to swatch this one either. Okay. And then the third eyeshadow palette that I got is Wild by Face Candy, which is another dupe. Let me open this up. This palette, it's really cool. It's very different. From most other palettes that I've had anyways. So the front is like really furry, which is really cute. And this wants to fall out, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And aren't those some gorgeous colors? I can't wait for the swatches from this one. All of them are just amazing. And last but not least, I have the Unicorn Glow highlight, which is really hard, but there's a unicorn just right there. This is also by Face Candy. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Maybe. And I will be swatching this as well in a different video. So there's the front, this is the back, which I think is really cute. And here are the highlights, which are freaking amazing. I cannot wait to swatch these and put these on my face. I am totally obsessed with highlight right now, so I'm like very excited about this. So these are the 4 palettes that I got from the Hush app. I totally recommend the Hush app. I think they are absolutely amazing. Look for separate videos of swatches on each of these. I will do full swatch videos coming up really soon. You could probably start seeing them coming out hopefully by, I'm going to say, Sunday or Monday. So look for them then. And they will each have their own separate video, so that way I can kind of really get in on each one and take the time to talk about each one, and maybe even try a look or two. And then that's it. So if you guys also want to see looks with these, let me know, and I will do tutorials on these as well. So just let me know in the comment box. And I think that's going to do it for this video. So if I don't know what I'm talking about. Must be the leftover flu talking. Anyways, so that does it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I love you so much.